Now, there's been a few questions on the regional market. We haven't specifically covered that in the presentation. So we'll start off one here. I think this is probably one for you, John. What's your view on the evolving turboprop freighter market, perhaps over the next 5 to 10 years, especially in Southeast Asia and Pacific Island markets?
So obviously the ETR 72600 P2F is expected to be certified this year, so that'll be coming on in a service next year once certified. In terms of numbers, and in the IBA freighter market outlook, it's kind of, in terms of percentage of the overall freighter market, it's currently about 8%, and I think in 10 years' time it's going to be about 7%. So fairly consistent in terms of that. But of course, you're going to have the ATR 72500 P2F program, the ER 72600 factory freighter program, and then of course the new 72600 P2F program. So the way the ATR market is, it's not obviously a turboprop market, but primarily ATR, because that's kind of the dominant one. Is it's consistent, tends to be smaller in number than the narrow bodies, but it does provide essential capacity on those smaller routes. But we do kind of just sort of see that consistent level through the next 5 to 10 years.